I am lecturer Amir Hussain. Today I will discuss with you about how to train your mind. You know that our total life is controlled by our imagination or our mind. So it is very necessary to train our mind or to control our mind in a systematic way. So if we can do this, we can become peaceful in life, we can become successful in life. So I have discovered 3 steps to control or to train your mind. First one is, when you get up from bed, you should utter 10 times what you want to be. If you want to become rich, then you utter for 10 times that I want to become rich, I want to become rich, I want to become rich, I want to become rich. In this way 10 times. If you want to be a doctor, you should utter I want to become a doctor, I want to become a doctor, I want to become a doctor. In this way 10 times. Okay, this is first step. And second step is, after some time, sit down in a quiet, silent place for meditation for only 20 minutes. You sit in a nice place and then relax yourself and think about your planning, think about your planning and how it can be successful. Think about this. Only for 20 minutes, think about your planning. In a meditational stage, think about your planning by meditation. This is second step. And third step is, at night before sleep, you should again utter for 10 times what you want to be. First, if you want to be a rich man, utter for 10 times that I want to become a rich man, I want to become a rich man, I want to become a rich man. If you want to become an engineer, you should utter I want to become engineer, I want to become an engineer, I want to become an engineer for 10 times. Think and vision sometimes about your successful planning. If you think to become a rich man, vision or imagine that you are a rich man, you are doing some work like a rich man. Think for some times and after that you can sleep. And if you or anybody follow these 3 steps, your subconscious mind will work for you to fulfill your desire. And it will take time. It need practice. Practice makes a man perfect. You should practice for a long time to complete your mission. It is not a day's work or a month's work, a year work. It is a work for a long time. If you do 3 steps for a long time, gradually you will fulfill your desired aim in life. A desired aim will one day be filled and you will become successful. Thank you everybody, and please don't forget to give me like, comment or share of my video, and subscribe my channel. Thank you everybody.